Hello everyone, myself Jignesh Kumar and I am the founder and CEO of Crypto Bulls. Today we are going to discuss about what the call performance of yesterday. So yesterday we have given 7 call and in the 7 out of 7 we have won the deal. So let's all see over here. So you can see over here in the ADA, ICP, LTC, NJ again ICP and the Matic. Those calls has been given into the group in premium member. The premium member has added 11.57% profit in the just single day. Guys, this is something awesome. Things are going over here. People are making so much money in the cryptocurrency with us. So before that, we are going kindly like and subscribe our channel. Kindly share with your friends and family. It would be helpful for you this analysis. So we'll start about our calls, our summary, how we have given the calls. So first call has been given on ADA. So ADA has given on the 7th of August 2021 8 a.m. in the 8 a.m. morning. The price was 106.45 Indian rupees and selling price was 108. So stop loss is 104. Even same in USDT price 1.439 and the selling price is 1.46 as well as stop loss is 1.4. So we'll go to the chart and see what was the price and how this call has been achieved. So we are here in the chart, type ADA here. We have given this call in yesterday morning. So just go here the 7th in the morning 8 somewhere. So you have to go and click here. Let's again we'll go and check 8:02 a.m. So 8:02 a.m. We'll go here 8:02 a.m. somewhere here 106.37. See, it took again the same growth. It went again down, up, and finally the target had reached here. You can see 108 somewhere here. You can see in 2016 the target has achieved and again it started falling. So this is how the first target has achieved. We'll go to the next call and see the performance. So next call is ICP, Internet Computer. It's a strong coin. So we'll see the buying price. So the ICP has given on 8:18 a.m. So first call has been given on time of 8:02 a.m. and second 8:18 a.m. Buying price was 3855, selling is 3940 and the stop loss is 3750 on Indian rupees as well as in USDT. So we'll go to the chart 8:18 a.m. what happened and how this call has achieved. You can see here the price, how the price moved from here. It was a down growth here. It was moving from here and it went 2048. We have given a call somewhere here. You can see in this point. So let's see what was the price at the time. The call time price 3855 and we wanted to reach 3940. 3855 the price were here and 3940. So this call has achieved. So this call took to achieve at least within the 1 hour. So ICP has achieved. Number 2 coin has been booked. So what to number 3? The third signal was given on LTC of 11,266 rupees price. See the time frequency how that we are giving up our people to buy with the maximum time. So here is the call LTC. You can see here 10:37 a.m. in the morning we have given the call. So buying price is 11,266 and selling price is 11,400. So the stop price is 11,000 only according to the price of USDT. You can see over here. So we'll go to the analyze and see what happened to the LTC in 10:37 a.m. yesterday. So go here and type LTC. Okay, we'll go to the yesterday price by 10 a.m. in the morning. So again we are here into 10 a.m. See the price is stagnant here 11,265. The price has started to move and you can see here the target has achieved somewhere here 11,400. You can see this. So this took little time 2012 and the target has achieved. This is how this LTC has achieved and members book the profit. Again we'll have a given a column ETH, NJ, ICP and Matic. So this is how we achieve. Again I'll just show the last call which was I have given a Matic. We'll see here. So last call was given in 11:10 p.m. So you can see here from morning 8 o'clock we are giving continuously call with the frequency according to the market analyze, and in the last call has been given yesterday 11:10 p.m. in the midnight. So the buying price was in Indian rupees 84.17, selling price was 85.5, and the stop loss is 82. Even in USDT you can see that 1.13 and selling price is 1.148 and stop loss is 1.1. So we'll go and check the list in last coin, because a member has booked 11.57% profit in just single day. Guys, this is something awesome. Things are going on over here. So we'll go and check the things, how this Polygon Matic graph has moved and how the price has achieved this target. So we'll go to the 11:10 p.m. into the graph. So here type LTC Matic. So here you have to type Matic. Now you have to go here and check yesterday 23, 21, 22, 23 somewhere here. Okay, so we have given a call over here. In this point of view, we can see the Matic. Again, we'll go and check the price of Matic, 84.17 and 85.5. 84.17 the price and 85.5. How long time it will took? So it took midnight, somewhere in the 3 o'clock, to reach this target 85.5. So guys, our premium member are making so much profit with the cryptocurrency, with our premium services, with the crypto bulls. So guys, if you would like to join our services, kindly contact us to join now. Thank you friends.